Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Kat. If you're new here, we would usually be making some biscuits, but I got contacted by my sister-in-law saying she's got 50 people coming for my niece's 4th birthday this weekend, and could I please make some chocolate crackles and some honey joys? So that's what we're going to be doing right now. If you're Australian, you'll be very familiar with both of these recipes, I'm sure. So we're going to start with the honey joys because those need to be baked, whereas the chocolate crackles just go straight into the fridge. So first up, we need 5 cups or 200 grams of cornflakes. And we'll set that aside and get out our saucepan. And in our saucepan, we need 75 grams of butter, that's 72, I'm calling that close enough, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 115 grams of honey. And we're just going to take this over to the stove and melt these together. And we're just going to mix that butter, honey, sugar mixture through the cornflakes. I've got 2 trays of 24 cupcake liners here, and we're just going to scoop these into the cupcake liners. You can, of course, just use a spoon for this step. I'm only using the cookie scoop to get them about the same. And I've got my oven at 180 degrees, and these are just going to bake for 8 minutes. So these have sat in the tray for 15 minutes. They've set, so I'm going to take them out of the tray so that I can use these to make our chocolate crackles. So I've washed out my saucepan, and we're just going to add a 250 gram block of kofa into the saucepan, just roughly chopped, and I'm going to set that to melt over a low heat while we get the rest of our ingredients together. So for our chocolate crackles, we need 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of icing sugar, and 4 cups of rice bubbles. We're just going to mix these together. And our cocoa is now completely melted, and we're going to pour that over. And mix it through. This smells like my childhood. And now we're going to scoop the mixture into our cupcake liners. And now we just need to leave these to set. You can pop them in the fridge, but they will also set at room temperature. And here we have a box of chocolate crackles and a box of honey joys, all ready to go to my niece's birthday. Thanks for being here with me today as I made these treats for my niece's birthday. If you would like, I will pop another one of my videos here that you can enjoy between now and my next upload. I can't wait to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.